Fix your hair!
Kasi naman, pinatakbo niyo ako, nagsushoot na agad.
Wait lang.
Man is born free, and everywhere he is in shackles. Ang kasabihang iyan ni Jean-Jacques Rousseau ay isa sa maraming ideya na naging inspirasyon ng mga leader ng revolusyon noong ika-17 na siglo. Pinalakas ng kanilang ideyang pagsisikap ng mga Amerikano at iba pang pangkat na matamong kalayaan, kasarinlan at pagkakapantay-pantay. Tara, sundan natin ang mga revolusyong naganap na bunga ng mga kaisipan ng 19th.
It is important for us, my brothers, that we exterminate from our lands this nation, which seeks only to destroy us.
Taong 1754 nang maganap ang labanan sa pagitan ng mga kolonistang Briton at Pranses na ang 7 Years' War.
Dante, Jahan, let all the memories we had stay as memories. I can no longer be your friend, as we stand for different sides. We are in the battlefield, and in the battlefield there is no such thing as a friend, nor a brother, nor a lover.
Had I been born the same race as you, would you have spared me?
Stop it, forget me.
You will have to forget me first. Will taking me out help you forget me?
No, but I have made an oath to take out all enemies I cross paths with, no matter how much I love them. My country will always come first.
No one has to know that you spared an enemy's blood. But I know that your guilt will consume you either way. Either do what you want, or do what you must. If your country is your most beloved, then fire that gun on my head.
My people would not do the same. There is no point.
What have I always told you since the beginning? What you will do not base on whether people would do the same. Do what you must, though difficult, without expecting others to do the same to you, for you.
I cannot.
I will forgive you.
But I cannot forgive myself.
I do not mind being shot in the head, if it is you who will pull the trigger. I have always longed for a way out of war anyway.
Perhaps in another lifetime we existed together in a happier time. No war would ever ruin what we had.
I would love to go fishing all day with you in another life, sitting on a boat with the sun enveloping our skin. I would laugh at how foolishly you row the boat, and you would splash water on me, and we would compare how much fish we got.
I will remember you every time the sky is gold, the ocean waves are restless, and the fish are plenty.
Oh, promise, I will come back to you as the biggest fish you will ever capture.
Matapos ang digmaang ito ay nabaon sa utang ang mga Briton.
Here, the British Parliament has passed the Stamp Act, which seeks to raise enough revenue to be able to station a larger army as a direct consequence of the costly 7 Years' War that took place beforehand. This act will require the citizens under Britain to pay extra tax, which will be represented by a specific stamp. All the taxes will then go directly to the British officials, who will be collecting them, in order to replenish the finances lost in the war.
Hindi naging masayang mga Britanyang mamamayan sa desisyong ito. Habang karamihan ay napilitan, ang iba sa kanila ay tuluyang tumangging bayaran ng dagdag na buwis.
Ika-13 ng Disyembre, 1773, mahigpit na nagprotesta ang mga kolonista sa pagpataw ng buwis sa pag-aangkat ng tsaa. Isang pangkat ng mga Amerikano ang pumuslit sa isang barkong Briton at itinapon ang mga kargamento ng tsaa sa daungan ng Boston. Kaya naman, itinawag ang protestang ito na Boston Tea Party.
Throw as many boxes as you can. Come on. Oh, come on.
Bilang tugon, ipinatupad ni Lord Frederick North, punong ministro ng Britanya, ang isang serye ng cursive acts na itinatawag na Intolerable Acts of 1774. Ang mga batas na ito ay inilunsad upang takutin ang mga kolonista.
What is with that face?
This is preposterous. They ought to starve us into submission. Those avaricious tyrants. All they want is for us to beg for their forgiveness.
Hey, why don't you calm down for a wee bit?
No, I cannot. Look at those ships. Look at 'em. My father and his men spent years building those. Now look at 'em. All lined up with nowhere to go.
Yes, I see it. Now, would you stop being so loud?
This cannot be real.
Mr. Parker will be holding a discreet town meeting tomorrow morning. Make sure to keep silent. I will show you where.
I have surmised that you all know why we are gathered here. They really think they can force us into submitting to them. They really think they can dictate what we do in our own town.
I believe they are afraid. Do you not see it? They only have an advantage in their wealth, so they always try to act as though they are in control of everything. But guess what? They are nothing when everyone has turned against them. There is no such thing as concepts of power or status. It is merely fabrication, made to have them look influential, and we believe it. In reality, they are no more than just commoners who hold more coins than us, for they played filthy. They are just like us, but they do not want to admit it. They love the feeling of being in control of those they consider lower than them. So they created the concept of status and power.
Ang mga batas na ito ay ang Boston Port Bill, Massachusetts Government Act, Administration of Justice Act, at ang Quartering Act.
Well, what do you propose?
We revolt.
May parts tayo. So, yung section nyo, grade na rin yung may section.
Isa pa from the start. Go.
Ganito lang muna. Oh, monster. Okay, game. Ayos there. Man is born free.
Man is ano?
Ayun o. Man, lagyan mo ng personality. Yung serious.
May serious ba siya?
Wait lang. Ano? Ito, do you read this shit? Man. Titingin ba ako dyan?
Titingin ba siya?
Ako dyan sa camera. Ay, hindi. Sa harap. Sa harap lang.
Sino titignan niya?
Wala. Si Sammy!
Okay.
Man is born. Ang kasabihang iyan ni John Jacques Rousseau ay isa sa... Ano? Nakatawid din!
Sapa.
Ang kasabihang iyan ni John Jacques Rousseau ay isa sa maraming ideya na naging inspirasyon ng mga leader. Gago na wala!
Basahin nyo nga muna. Kaya ang nagiging
Tanga.
Ayan!
sipag kahit tarantado.
Kaya alam mo ang ingay mo, no?
Kaya ang pangit.
Ino mo!
Yo,
What she said.
Alam, nakaharap pala yan. Bikita yung mukha ko.
Okay lang. Pakita ako sa mga groupmates mo kung ba't di ka nagpapakita. Uy, tumatay na.
Hey guys!
Malambot yan.
Boy, tumae, boy.
Strict saver, strict saver. Saan ka sa mga ka-strict ko?
Ay, teka, strict mo ako.
Inis. Layas.
Uwi na si Alex. Balik na tayo.
Di, umalis ka dyan.
Wawash me, net. Wawash me, nene.
Pop! Ano yan? Nakakainis to! Ba't ka pa pampalayasin, ha?
Eh, syempre, sabihin nun, mamaya di naman ako nag-film. Ganito, ganito.
Here you go.
Jordan, no?
Yo, get out! You're in the shot!